Linux Oracle DBA YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about PITR with using a timestamp. In the previous videos, we have talked about what is a pgBackRest, features, how to take a full backup, incremental backup, how to perform from a full backup to restoration a cluster, and last video we have covered about how to perform a delta change using a PITR. So those things has been covered. So first thing, we have to verify the what are the backups are available on my local cluster. So pgBackRest. So if you use that, this is my stanza name. I'm just typing an info. So which provides the detail of what is my stanza name, what is the status, and how many backups are available. Overall it will show the details. So far you can see that there was a full backup and followed by incremental differential. What I am going to do, I have just creating some table. So the table name is create table test underscore time stamp value integer, insert into test underscore timestamp. Oh god, it's a typo error. Insert into value. So I will insert one more value. Let's insert one more thing. Let's perform a checkpoint. So now you can verify the current timestamp. So this is the current timestamp where the checkpoint was occurred. Okay, particular table. Okay, so just drop. So this table has been dropped. Okay, so once we drop, what we have to do, we have to follow here. First we need to stop the cluster. We have to clean up all the existing data under the data directory, and followed by we have to perform a PITR. First thing is I am verifying the systemctl status PostgreSQL -15, so which is actively running. So what I am going to do, I am going to stop the service, then I will clean up the data directory. So for that I will use where lib pgsql 15 slash data equal to star. So make sure you have deleted everything under this directory pg data. So our pgBackRest, just a second, let me type pg back. So this is the same command. Okay, so what we have to additionally add in the sense, we have to mention it type equal to time, because we are going to perform a PITR, right? So for that we have to verify that type equal to time. And another thing is what exactly we are mentioning the target. So the target is, so you know very well, we have captured this timing, right? So we have to provide the same detail. Okay, so this one, and followed by you have to provide restore. So make sure everything is correct. So you can see here, when you mention the timestamp exactly, so it will took that particular backup and recovery will start from this timing. Okay, so from this timing to everything will be replayed. Okay, and it says it successfully completed. Okay, and also you can verify the detail pg data ls-lrth. So all the files has been copied here, so you can just refer that postgres.auto.conf as well. So the timing also mentioned here, so you can see here this is the restore command where archive has been pushed over here. And second thing is, so the recovery target time, so the target time which we mentioned on the command line, the same time has been mentioned internally as well. Okay, so now we can just start that instance. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL 15. So if you can verify the status first, so that instance has been started. Let's go to the log as well, ls-lrth. So in the same log, what we can do, tail minus 100f, it was the backup was completed, and it reaches the consistent state, and it says like the database is ready to accept read-only connections. Open the database into read and write mode, so you have to manually execute this command. So this is select pg vault resume, just dt. So let's count off star from test. So three data are there, so you know very well before that deletion we just enter the three values 1 2 3. So the three values are present. Even if you want to create a table, you can just create table t2 as select star from test. So the database is in read and write mode. Okay, so you can just verify one more time, transaction has been performed. So that time it was archive recovery was completed and checkpoint has also done. Then it says database is ready to accept connections. So you can see that here it was saying read only, here accept connections. So after executing replay resume, so the database has been internally promoted to accept read and write connections.